So this is going to be a very quick video today about why I didn't buy Alex Hormozi's latest 6K offer. I'm sure everyone's seen the massive book launch he did this week, where he made over $100 million selling his latest book and program. So in my community, I've got loads of business owners that ask me questions, and I got a lot this week saying, "Oh, did you buy the latest offer from Alex?" And my answer was no. And they was like, "Oh, why not?" And I said, well, the thing is that I've been in business for 20 years now. I'm not saying I know everything, but I've certainly been on a big journey of learning lessons and mastering stuff. In the first 10 years of my career, I would buy all the courses, all the programs, all the books from everyone I could find. So I was learning all the knowledge. After making quite a lot of money online and stuff in different businesses, you start to realize something, that nothing is really new. It's all old information that's been wrapped up in new packaging. And I think that's the same with Alex Hormozi's latest book launch. I don't think he's invented anything. I think he's learned lessons along his business career, obviously learned from other people as well, and he's wrapped it up in this new packaging. And I have to give it credit to him that he does make things simple and he does break it down quite easily. But it's nothing new. It's old information in new packaging. And so when you've been in business as long as me, you don't really need to read the old information anymore. Once you've mastered how to get traffic, how to convert customers, how to make sales, I don't really need to learn that stuff again, because I've already learned it, and I'm already making money in lots of different businesses. So that's the reason I didn't buy Alex Hormozi's latest 6K offer. I'm sure loads of people did buy it out there, and I'm not saying it's a bad decision if you did buy it. But I do want you to just realize one thing, is that it's not a secret source to explode your business. This information's been around, especially online, for the last 10, 15 years. You just need to master how to get traffic, how to convert the traffic into sales, and then you've got a business. But don't keep buying the same information from different people, because it really is the same information. So just master it one time, and then stop wasting your money on the latest books and stuff, because it is really a waste. And especially when you get to my level, I don't need to spend 6K on some new books that tell me what I already know. So if you need help in your business, I run a business club. It's a community of business owners, whether you're starting a new business or whether you've got an established business. You can come into the business club, ask me any questions you want. It's probably the most affordable way to take your business to the next level. So there's a link in the description if you do want to join. But if not, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.